Saturday.
Obviously, the theme of the day was the question of whether this is a murder, whether this is a suicide. Obviously, you must think that you at least have a strong case to bring it as murder, right?
Well, the grand jury is charged with murder, and we're continuing with that prosecution. I think most of you heard my opening, which was fairly extensive.
Can you give us an idea, you were interviewing or questioning the sister of Angel Downs today. That's going to continue tomorrow?
She's still on the stand. She's subject to cross-examination.
Okay, I wasn't aware that.
Talk about the timeline of the phone calls that night. That was part of your opening statement.
Yeah, I'm not going to talk about the facts. The trial's ongoing. We don't want to prejudice anybody. We want Angel to have a fair trial.
Can you give us an idea of who's going to be testifying tomorrow?
No.
Without talking about the facts?
There'll be some police officers, some firemen, there'll be some people from Pensacola.
Well, that was my question, was evidently she's the only family member that will be testifying because none of them left the courtroom earlier.
Well, victims, can stay in the courtroom.
Okay.
So, but probably at this point, she may well be the only victim, family member testifying.
At one point, I noticed that you had Angel's picture inside the courtroom. Are you going to do that again, or did someone ask you to remove it, or? I noticed all through opening statements.
Well, Angel can't be there, so we want people to remember this is about her.
Talk about Angel for a minute, and I guess what the goal of you or any prosecutor in a case like this would be in regard to the victim. I mean, about the importance of her being there in the courtroom, at least through the pictures.
Well, I think the difficulty in any murder case is that people get to observe everyone but the person that's been murdered. And I think it's important that we remember that that's why we're here, that someone's life has been taken.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks, Judy.